Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to create the tunnel trend videos on TikTok like this. These trending videos have been going around on TikTok where the users record themselves in front of a boring backdrop, and then just as the beat drops, the next shot is of them in front of a TV with some cool graphics being played in the background. Now the good news is this tunnel background trend can be done without a smart TV. So let me show you how to do it. Open your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover and search for flashing background. It should appear in your search results and look like this. Tap on it and make sure to favorite it so you can find it later on. Now go back to the search and search for tunnel background trends. Click on any of the videos where you see the tunnel effect. There are two trending songs with this trend video, so play them and choose which one you like. One is Blackout Days from Fantagram, and the other one is Love You Like a Love Song from Selena Gomez. Once you've chosen the song, tap on Use this sound or tap on the sound icon at the bottom right of the video. Start to record a video of yourself in a boring background. Start off in portrait mode and then turn your phone 90 degrees. Since I'm showing you guys how to do this, I'll not turn my phone 90 degrees. Depending on the song, stop recording just as the beat drops. Now stay on the same screen and tap on Effect at the bottom left. Then tap on the favorite button. You should see the flashing background effect which you have saved. Tap on it and then you should see the background change. You can change the background by tapping on it, and there are currently two choices. Now record the remainder of the video, and again you could introduce a fan to blow your hair to give the motion effect. And that is how to create the trending tunnel effect on TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and enable bell notifications for future videos. Also make sure to hit that like button if you found this useful and let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.